Law enforcement in Florida has a message for super speeders. If you hit triple digits on the highway, you are going to go to jail. So this all follows a pair of recent arrests of drivers who are going over 100 miles an hour. They're now among the thousands of people who face charges after the state's super speeder law went into effect last summer. Fox 13's Aaron Mesmer joins us for more on this. Okay, so what exactly is a super speeder?
Yeah, it's a good place to start with this. And a super speeder, Linda, is somebody who's going at least 100 miles an hour or more, or at least 50 miles an hour over the speed limit. Florida Highway Patrol says troopers have a zero tolerance policy for people who are going that fast. It doesn't matter what road they're on, what the speed limit is, or the time of day. If they are caught driving that fast, they're going to go to jail. And that happened twice this week. A Clearwater man is accused of being drunk when he hit 120 miles an hour at around 4 o'clock Wednesday morning near the I-275 and I-4 interchange. Another driver from Clearwater was also arrested yesterday and accused of going 107 miles an hour on the Bayside Bridge because he told deputies that he was late to work. These are two of the latest examples of so-called super speeders landing in jail. And since the law took effect in July 2025, FHP has made more than 4,800 arrests statewide. Troopers say these are extremely serious cases, and they say it's impossible for drivers to not know that they're going that fast.
When you're traveling triple digits on the interstate, you definitely know you're moving quicker than everyone else, simply because you're passing everyone else. You're watching those roadway signs flutter by you and you're not even able to read them. The mile marker signs are all of a sudden coming much quicker. And the inability to take any type of defensive move if something were to happen, it obviously will endanger everyone in and around you moving that quickly. Speed limits are there for a reason. Your safety, my safety, and everyone else's.
During a recent operation in Jacksonville this week, troopers arrested 8 super speeders caught going up to 120 miles an hour. And a few days later, a man in DeSoto County was clocked going 110 in a 60-mile-an-hour zone. He told deputies he was on his way to catch his cheating girlfriend. Now, those are just the cases that happened in the last several days. Troopers in Southwest Florida say this is still such a problem. They often team with law enforcement to crack down on super speeders. And during those operations, we're told they typically catch up to a half dozen super speeders. And Linda, we're told that is a lot in just a few hours. 4 to 6 super speeders. You think they're out there for 2 or 3 hours. To catch that many people going 100 miles an hour is incredible.
By that.
Yeah.
Shocked by there's that many people going 50 miles over the speed limit.
Or 100, yeah.
So hopefully this is making it safer for the rest of us.
That's the idea. That's the idea. And at least maybe hammer the home point to people who think it's okay to go that fast.
Aaron Mesmer, that's shocking details right there. Thank you.